my last TTM because I haven't sent any more out coming from Sacramento, California. Sorry about this, but it's hard for me to open. So here we go. It is a TTM that is a custom from J. Python Leron Lee. And like I said, I haven't said anymore, obviously, and so I'm thinking this is my last TTM video, but my other content, my Morbid Monday and my eBay pickups Saturday will continue. As always, give me a thumbs up, comment, sub, share, hit that bell, and I'll see you soon. Bye.